I'm going to show you how to get free USA number from any country you are, whether you are in India, whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are in Kenya. I'm going to show you how to get a free USA number you can use for your verifications, whether you want to verify your WhatsApp account, your Facebook account, your Gmail account, or whatever you want to verify. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you'll not be missing out on important updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, and without wasting much time, I want to show you how to get it. Now what you are going to do is, for you to verify maybe an Instagram account, a Facebook account for USA. For example, you want to verify a USA Facebook account or whatever thing that relates to the US. So you need a US phone number. And so what you're going to do is you make sure you have this Chrome browser on your app. Make sure you have a Chrome browser. Now what you are going to do is go to your settings, or you scroll down on your screen like this, and then you turn on your location. The reason why you need to turn on your location is so that when you receive the code from the free number, you'll be able to see it on your phone. Because without turning on your location, it will be very hard for you to get the free number, to get the code from the free number that I'll be showing you how to get. So go to your Chrome browser here. Then what you are going to do is go to the search bar and search for receive SMS free.cc. So when you search this on your Chrome browser, it's going to bring this for you, this website here. So what you're going to do when you have searched for it, what you're going to do now is to tap on it. So make sure you tap on it like this. Then what you're going to do now is make sure you scroll down. Once you tap on the website, you can see there are many free USA numbers here, so you can just pick anyone. For example, this is the one I want to pick, so you just tap on the number and cancel the ad. See here, cancel the ad here, cancel the ad. So when you cancel the ad, the app will load. So what you are going to do is you copy this number here and take it and to your WhatsApp or whatever you want to use to verify. When you verify it, when they send you a verification code, you tap on this update the latest SMS. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you are going to see the code in this place. You are going to see the code in this place. So you can see other codes that are dropping. This is show that your own code will drop. So you can see the instruction here. If you did not receive the message for a long time, please change number. So if you use this number and you did not receive the code, please change the number. There are many free numbers. You just go back. If you want to change the number, you just tap here to go back. You can see other free numbers here. So this is how to get a free USA number. So if this video is interesting to you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Make sure you share this video too. Thanks for watching.